Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. We are solving CAT question paper of 2023 and here we are going to discuss in details about the paragraphs that are mentioned. We are going to focus on two questions in this video. Let's see what is given over here. Now it's all about colonialism, as you all can see over here. It's not a modern phenomenon. That is what they are saying. The history is full of the world history is full of so much of colonialism, and we get to see that through various examples. But the concept of colonialism has changed with time because of technological developments in navigation that began to connect more remote parts of the world. And yeah, the modern European colonial project has emerged when it became possible to move large number of people across the ocean and to maintain political control in spite of the geographical dispersion. So yeah, that is what they have been talking about. So yeah, the Europeans have been so strong that from time to time we have seen that they have had domination over most parts of the world, like in America, Australia, parts of Africa, parts of Asia. So yeah, to the best possible uh, scenario, we need to choose the option that best captures the essence of the passage. And over here, you all can go through the 4 points, but as I have already chosen over here, it would be technological advancements in navigation in the 16th century transformed colonialism. Because of this only, it was easier for the Europeans to establish settlements and political dominance all over the distant regions, like as I have mentioned, as the paragraph suggests, over America, Australia, and parts of Asia and Africa. Okay, so yeah, that's the best point that would go over here. Next is another paragraph we have. Let's go through this, what they are talking about. The passage given below is followed by four alternative summaries. Again, the same thing. We need to choose the best essence of the passage or the best summary in the form of a point. And I've already chosen, but before that, we need to discuss, as you all know. Manipulating information was a feature of history long before modern journalism established rules of integrity. Now, see, till now we get to see this information or data being manipulated or spiced up before presenting, like especially in journalism. I'm saying in news channels, we are saying so a record dates back to ancient Rome when Antony met Cleopatra and his political enemy Octavian launched a smear campaign against him with short, sharp slogans written upon coins. So through this only we can understand how a journalism used to take place, how people used to know about things going on around them. Um, yeah, that is what they have talked about. But the 21st century has seen the weaponization of information on an unprecedented scale. Like powerful new technology has made the fabrication of content in a very simple way. Social networking sites have like diverted the course of so many news. Like the news might be very little, but it has been spiced up to such an extent that people are gaining interest in that. Like maybe in order to attract the attention of the audience, this is being done from day to day. And yeah, because of these things, trolling is very common. Troll armies are becoming very common. So yeah, that is what the entire aspect is all about. Now, based on this, we need to choose the best possible gist, summarizing in the form of a sentence. See, I have already chosen this one. Use of misinformation for attaining power, a practice that is as old as the Octavian era, is currently fueled by technology. Okay. And in both the passages that we have done in today's video, both are happening because of the changes in technology, right? Both are happening because of changes in technology. You all can go through the paragraphs. You can take a screenshot. You can go through the paragraphs and you can understand. So in order to improve in these kind of questions, you need to solve the previous year's question papers. You need to go through the different books and the solved questions so that you can have an idea of how the question comes, what kind of question comes, because these are not very easy, as you all can see. So you're having an idea through this video, like what kind of questions can come and how the questions can come. Especially the paragraphs are really, really like, what should I say? Really tough enough. So you need to keep on practicing these. So that's it for today's video. If you want to like study for any kind of entrance exams, you can join our classes for that. Thank you. For all the details, do check the description box below.